What, did she cry?
Okay.
All right, here's it. All right, this is the story.
Wait,
I'll tell you
not
the story. See,
Tell us the story
the
first.
story is in the year 1962, Washington National Zoo had, unfortunately, one African canarus left. An African canarus was the last living species from Africa that was unfortunately expiring. Why? Because it was getting kind of old. They were extinct already in Africa because it had very large body, 500-pound body, very short wings, and very tiny little legs. And so it tended not to survive the cheetah running after it. But we did have one still in 1962, and I happened to be standing there while it expired. And this is what I saw. Right? A 500-pound canary is finally extinct.